When we have dreams or goals and we try hard to achieve it, how do we stay happy and sincere with Allah even when we cannot reach our dreams?
You see, if you have dreams or goals according to your potential, then you should work hard and pray to Allah Ta'ala that Allah Ta'ala help you to achieve them. The first thing is that you pray to Allah Ta'ala for the achievement of your goals. Secondly, you have to work hard, or even you should say rather work hard before. That is what Allah Ta'ala says, jahad. First you have to work hard, then pray to Allah Ta'ala that you have done whatever was possible according to your potentials and according to your capabilities. And now Allah Ta'ala help you to achieve that. Then Allah Ta'ala inshallah will help you. You see, every person doesn't have the potential of everything. A scientist has a different mindset for his studies, and a lawyer has different mindset, and a missionary or historian, they have different thinking and concepts in their mind. So Allah Ta'ala has made human being with diverse nature. So if you are good in history, you cannot say that you can be a good chemist or scientist. A good chemist and scientist cannot be a good historian. So first you will have to see that what are the subjects of your interest, and among those subjects, which one is the best for you. Then pray to Allah Ta'ala, Allah Ta'ala will help you inshallah. Never be disappointed. Work hard and pray to Allah Ta'ala, then you will achieve. And if you just leave it on the way and say, no, I have worked hard enough, no. If it was destined for you, then you will have to work hard for it. If you leave it on the way, that means you did not work according to Allah's will. Your effort will be futile.